Hey everyone, this is John Rollins. Take a look at what I have here today. This is a 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 dually, quad cab, long bed, 6-speed manual. It's a bighorn package. This truck only has 30,000 miles. Factory tow package, bed liner, B&W Gooseneck, power sliding rear window, silver exterior, gray interior. The truck is super clean, like brand new tires all the way around. Tow mirrors, cab lights, chrome bumpers and grille. Just a gorgeous truck. Very hard to find 6-speed manual. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Full power options, cloth seats, 6-passenger seating. Again, this truck only has 30,000 miles, so everything is in like new condition. It is super clean all the way throughout. Carpet's in beautiful shape. Tilt wheel, cruise controls on the steering wheel. We'll get the mileage here. 30,588 miles. 6-speed manual. CD player, auxiliary inputs. There's your climate controls, 4-wheel drive switch, brake controller, factory exhaust brake, power sliding rear window. All the door panels are in beautiful shape. This truck is super clean. If you're interested in this truck, you can reach me directly at 614-563-9999. Before I let you off of here, let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. This truck is 100% stock airbox, stock exhaust. There are no tuners on the truck. If you're interested in it, get a hold of me. This one's not going to last long with the mileage and the 6-speed manual. Thank you.